Hello and welcome back to my channel. So as you saw in the intro video, today I am going to be showing you my brand new wig. However, I did think that it was just a bit long for my liking and for the video that I want to do today, so I did cut it in a very uniform one length. The wig is once again by Perfect Lace Wigs, one of my favorite wig retailers. As I said, I cut it off, but that was simply for preference. Otherwise, the original one was very much a longer in the front kind of a haircut. Obviously, it made it look a lot fuller. So I think that looks super duper cute. The other reason that I decided to cut it is because I went on Instagram and I asked you guys what kind of a video you wanted to see, and a lot of them were how to style short hair and short hair hairstyles. I would have done it on my own hair, which is considerably shorter than this. However, it looks disgusting. I need a color refresh, and it actually works out okay because I still wanted to promote this wig to you guys. It is insanely soft. I ran it over lightly with my flat iron, but otherwise it is so soft. It is way softer than my own hair, so I'm actually really not mad that I'm not, you know, shooting with my hair. So yes, the link of the original wig is going to be down in the description box below. You can wear it as is, or you can just, you know, cut it. So I'm going to be showing you a few different hairstyles that you can try on kind of shoulder length hair, but then it could be also shorter and longer and layered or one length. But other than that, let's get into the video. these are all of the hairstyles. I personally love every single one of them, and whenever I feel like creating some form of a hairstyle, it's usually one of these three, which is why I decided to show them off today. As I said, the wig will be linked down below in the description box. You can keep it in its original form, or you can give it a cut just like I did. I personally really love this exact haircut and this exact hair length, because I think it's so voluminous, and even if you have really fine hair, it's still going to look thick, because any sort of a one length cut is going to look thicker than layers. But it's going to be linked down description box below. I know you're going to ask it. This is from Bershka. I got it years ago. You can find many different types of bandanas in a lot of different stores, so just look around and keep your eyes out for one. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.